Here's something totally unique that I decided to do when I started doing these rhinestone dot art photos. On this particular one, and actually on multiples, I poked holes on the black dots. And that right there, to me, gave it a totally unique flair. And it allowed light to be able to shine through the actual picture. So you can see light coming from the back. But then when I start putting the rhinestones on it, it'll shine on the front.